All right, today we're going to take a look at something just a little bit different in the Zippo family. Now, first of all, this came in a double size black box. Here's a regular black box. This is a double size black box. And it says on the front, bonus pack includes both regular and pipe inserts. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. And it's made in Bradford, PA on 33 Barber Street. Nice Zippo logo on the front. So this is actually a black ice Zippo. And you can see there that is the pipe insert. And let's see if I can get this thing out of here. And the black ice is very, very fingerprint non-friendly. It'll pick up all the fingerprints you can give it. It's got a really nice finish. This is the glossiest mirror finish you can get on a Zippo. See, this was made in F. Looks like F of 18, which is, I believe that's June or July. Pretty good stampings. Got a steel insert, really good sound. Now the only other black ice Zippo I could find was from 2013. It's basically the same black ice mirror polish finish with the Zippo logo on it. Basically the same one, but it's the first black ice that I got. So let's see if we can do a drop test on this. A lit drop test. So the black ice Zippo passes the drop test easily. It'll pick up all kinds of junk on it. So there is a double. It's a bonus pack with both the regular insert and the pipe insert. You get 2 for 1 in that purchase, and it definitely calls for a little cowbell. And not a silent cowbell either. And knuckle bomb.